On today's video, we'll show you how to turn off VoiceOver with Siri on your iPhone. If you're unfamiliar with VoiceOver, it's a powerful accessibility feature that reads out the content of your iPhone screen to you. But sometimes you may want to turn it off, and we'll show you how to do that using Siri. So let's get started. Step 1. To activate Siri, go to Setting, and then we pick Siri and search. We can see Siri hasn't activated yet. To activate, we can toggle it on Listen for Hey Siri. And you can also enable it. And then we set up. I'm going to say, Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. And I tap done. So whenever I will say Hey Siri, it will be activate the Siri. For example, Hey Siri, open the WhatsApp menu. Then Siri will open the WhatsApp menu without we need to touch our phone, just using our voice. Okay, back again to the Siri setting. On the second option is press side button for Siri. So to activate Siri, the second option is we press and hold the power button on the side of our device. When I press and hold, we can see in the middle bottom, there's a spear or Siri logo. We can say to our instruction, for example, open the WhatsApp menu. Then Siri will open the WhatsApp application. So there's two ways to activate the Siri based on our setting. We press the side button or we say Hey Siri and then say our instruction. So to turn off the voice with Siri, we need to activate the VoiceOver feature. So we back to the setting. We go to accessibility. There's a VoiceOver. We tap on VoiceOver. It's not activated yet. Now we toggle it on. You can see.
VoiceOver on. Settings. Accessibility. Back button.
So we can see the VoiceOver is turned on. To turn off with Siri, just simply say turn off VoiceOver or disable VoiceOver and Siri will turn off VoiceOver for you. We can see the VoiceOver is turned on. Now I'm going to say, Hey Siri, turn off VoiceOver.
VoiceOver off.
Now we can see the VoiceOver is already off, or maybe we try to tap it again to turn it on.
VoiceOver on.
Then I will
Settings. Accessibility. Back button.
and I will press and hold the side button. Turn off VoiceOver.
VoiceOver off.
Now we can see right, the VoiceOver is off. To confirm that VoiceOver is off, your iPhone should function normally without any verbal cues. As we can see, the VoiceOver on this is already off. If you want to VoiceOver back on, simply activate Siri and say, Hey Siri, turn on VoiceOver.
I'm sorry, I'm afraid I can't do that.
Hey Siri, turn on VoiceOver.
Okay, VoiceOver is now on.
Siri will turn on VoiceOver for you. You can also use the method to turn voice on or off whenever you need to. That is for our step-by-step guide on how to turn off VoiceOver with Siri off your iPhone. This is a quick and easy way to disable VoiceOver if you need to use iPhone without the verbal cues. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any question or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks for your iPhone. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon. Bye!